how to turn off or on timer on Snapchat. Today we've got a simple yet super useful Snapchat tip for you. How to turn on or off the timer for your snaps. Whether you want your snaps to disappear quickly or stay around for a little bit longer, I've got you covered. First things first, what you need to do is open Snapchat. Click a snap of anything that you want to click. Now, at the bottom or at the right, you can see the little clock icon. Here, you can see a various different timer option. You can select 1.50 seconds or 9 seconds or 10 seconds, or you can also choose no limit. Select the time you want and you're good to go. Now your snap will now disappear after the selected time. Now if you want your snap to stay visible until the recipient leaves the chat, you can turn off the timer completely. Just go to the no limit, and this option lets the recipients view the snap as long as they want, and they can also save it to the snap. And that's it. You now know how to set the timer for your snaps and even turn it off if you want your messages to last longer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.